Welcome to today's review on the Rockville RV12.2B car subwoofer enclosure. This powerful system is thoughtfully designed to deliver deep, rich, and distortion-free bass that transforms your vehicle into a true mobile concert hall, giving every track a level of clarity and punch that casual listeners and audiophiles alike will instantly notice. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this subwoofer system at the best price in the market. Right out of the box, you'll notice the impressive combination of dual 12-inch subwoofers paired with a matched 400W RMS mono amplifier, which follows the rigorous CA 2006 compliance standard to provide reliable, consistent power while maintaining audio fidelity. The aluminum voice coils on the subs are high efficiency and engineered to handle peak power of up to 1200 watts, delivering clean low frequencies without the distortion that often plagues lesser systems. The cabinet itself is a quasi transmission line design, built with 3/5-inch MDF and reinforced with bonded bracing, which not only ensures durability but also enhances the acoustic performance, giving bass notes more punch and resonance across the spectrum. The injection molded cones, combined with butyl rubber surrounds and 3D molded dust caps, are carefully designed for precise sound reproduction, making sure that even the lowest frequencies hit clean and accurate, giving your music the depth it deserves. Another standout feature is the inclusion of the subsonic filter, which protects the subs from damaging low-frequency signals while keeping the sound clean, coupled with the adjustable low-pass crossover and bass EQ that allows you to tailor the audio experience to your exact preferences, whether you prefer chest-thumping bass for electronic music or subtle, tight lows for hip-hop and rock tracks. The dash mount remote gives you easy access to fine-tuned settings without needing to reach the back of the vehicle, while the multiple input options ensure compatibility with a wide range of car audio systems. Aesthetically, the unit is finished in high-quality carpet with a professional, sleek look that fits seamlessly in most vehicles, and the braced construction guarantees that the enclosure can withstand the demands of regular use without losing performance or structural integrity. While the Rockville RV12.2B is a complete package that comes ready to deliver an impressive listening experience, it's important to note that its size may require careful consideration of your vehicle space, and fine-tuning the amp settings is recommended to achieve the perfect sound balance for your personal preferences. That said, the build quality, paired with premium components and thoughtfully engineered controls, makes this subwoofer system a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their in-car audio experience. Its combination of power, clarity, and durability ensures it can compete with higher-end models while remaining accessible and easy to install, giving music enthusiasts a professional-grade system without the hassle of separate component shopping. Whether you are upgrading an existing setup or installing a full system from scratch, the Rockville RV12.2B gives you the tools and quality to create a truly immersive audio environment, and its reputation backed by thousands of positive reviews only reinforces its value and reliability. The integrated amps MOSFET high-speed power supply further enhances performance, providing stable current and protecting against potential fluctuations, while the subsonic filter and adjustable controls ensure that every note is heard as intended, making both casual listening and high-volume sessions enjoyable and worry-free. If you love music that hits with precision and depth, this system gives you everything you need, from powerful lows to crisp mids, all while remaining easy to control and maintain. So, for anyone serious about upgrading their car audio experience with a system that combines convenience, power, and professional-grade quality, the Rockville RV12.2B is a compelling option, and you won't want to miss the opportunity to grab this complete subwoofer package. Be sure to check the link in the description below to secure this subwoofer system at the best available price and experience firsthand why it has become a favorite among car audio enthusiasts looking for reliable performance, deep bass, and a full-featured, well-built solution for their vehicles.